What's up guys? So today's video is not going to be a tutorial, but instead I wanted to quickly explain two ideas that I had that I've been thinking about doing on this channel. I want to know which one you guys would prefer to do. We may do them both, but let's figure out which one to start off with. So the two ideas that I had in mind, one of them is basically making a fake coffee shop website, going through and doing everything, not doing back end in the sense of connecting a store, or having a CMS for products or coffees or anything like that, but mainly just doing the front end. And what I want to do for both of these projects is go through the entire process again. So that seems to be something that you guys have liked and want me to do more of, so I've been thinking about doing that. So I basically want to take these from the very beginning, from like documentation all the way through some ideation, design, and then eventually development. Now, the one idea with the coffee shop, I figured we could make a fake coffee brand and go through and do all the ideation, design something for that, and do the front end. And like I just said, not connect any sort of content management system or store or anything to that, purely just do the front end. The other idea that I had was to basically go ahead and same thing, go through all the documentation and design it up, but the idea is to create a somewhat generic portfolio site that many people can use, and make it with Jekyll and turn that into a theme so that you can just download or start a new project using Jekyll with the theme that we create, connect it to maybe Forestry, and just be ready to go, and only have to enter in, okay, what's your site name, what's the email, phone number, description, and all this stuff. So those are two ideas that I had, and I'm just not sure which one to start off with, so I wanted to get your guys' opinion. Let me know down below by commenting or whatever if you would rather do the coffee project or the portfolio project. We've already done a few different portfolios, but this is kind of a different idea around a portfolio site, so I wanted to figure out what you guys would be more interested in. So let me know down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one.